All right, guys, here we go with another fun adventure. It is my second day going down to set up at the North Point Flea Market. Currently, it's a little bit dark outside. I got the flashlight on, but if I take the flashlight off, we got some light coming in. The windshield's frozen up. Had to do some little bit of scraping. Not too bad. I think it's right around like 34 degrees or something like that. So that should fare well for more people wanting to go inside the shop instead of outside. Like I said, it is about a little just after 6:30. It takes me about 25 minutes to get to the flea market. So I am going to head down there. The goal today is obviously to make some money. Yesterday I did $700, so I want to try to make $1,000 a weekend to make it worth doing. And that means I just need to do at least 300. I know for sure I already have a lady coming to buy 3 wagons, which I have on the truck, and that's $60. And then there may be a few other people coming back for some other stuff that I know of. So right there, probably around 100. So I just need to do a couple hundred more dollars. The other thing is, not that I want it to be slow, but I do need a few minutes to put more stuff out. I want to set my other shelf up, get ready to start bringing clothing down there. I have my clothing poles are in the back. So anyhow, I have a few things I want to do during the day. So I will probably just, this will be kind of be like a vlog style video, give you guys an update, how much money I'm making, what the booth looks like, and the setup for the day. So I hope you enjoy.
Not perfectly level, but they'll work. Once you get clothes on them, you'll never be able to tell. So I got my 2 racks set up and poles in between. Just screwed out the poles and zip tied them. Makes it easy clothing rack. There we go. It's 8:30 and already sold all 3. The lady came in right away, bought the 3 wagons. I priced the vac at 50. That's new. They go for like 120, so pretty good price there. My cost on that vacuum is like 15 bucks. And then starting to hang jackets up. The winter coats I'm doing 25, and then I would take 20. Most of them are either new with tags or like new condition. This is one I had pulled on eBay last night. Costco jacket, Madison, but wasn't selling great. I sold the bigger size, but small just wasn't selling. So it ended up being, I kept marking them down, and they ended up being down around $25 with free shipping. So at that price, I figured I'd bring them down here. I took them off of eBay, but if they don't sell, I can always put them back up. Rocking and rolling, already did over 200, so doing pretty good. I'll show you what I do here. So I have like my $3 area over here. I bring down extra boxes of stuff, you know, like back here. And then this one here, this is all $3 bin. And I just take it, and once the bin gets a little low, just kind of restock it. And then always keep more for later on. Nice brush set. And the key is getting the fresh inventory out. All right, just shut down. Ended up being a quick video. Didn't do much filming at all today. I'm not even sure if this one will get posted, but sold a ton of stuff again today, and it was a slow day, which is crazy. So just lots of cheap stuff, a bunch of $10 items sold, a bunch of $5 items. I was restocking throughout the day with my overstock bins. You know, all this stuff down here is, that one's not completely full, but mostly full, so refilling. I do think I have a deal on all these shoes. The guy hasn't paid me yet, but did indicate that next week he's gonna pay me for all the shoes. So my cost on those was around $3, and I'm wholesaling them for $6. So this first batch I have here is gonna be a $400 deal, which is great. That'll help out for next weekend because I'm not gonna be able to bring a bunch of stuff in. Sold a bunch of leggings, a couple jackets, so tons of soap. Almost all of my soap and scrubbing bubbles. I only have 2 cases of soap left and no scrubbing bubbles other than the 2 that are there. So anyhow, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't a whole lot of flea market content, but you get the idea of what I'm up to. So that puts today, I did, not counting the $400 deal for next week, I did about just under, it was just under 800. So 800, 700, it's about $1,500 weekend, which is awesome. So 500 over my minimum. We'll see what next weekend's like with the holiday weekend, but hopefully good. Catch you on the next one. Peace.